Oh, you gotta aim! That's insane. Alright, another cardboard demo. What do we see here? Press the button to select. Okay, it's a bit blurry. Guess I have to press it a bit more. Okay, press the button. Next. I'm pressing the button. Nothing happens. Okay, I keep pressing the button in this environment, but nothing happens. Hello? Press the button. Okay, nothing happens. Let's see if it's fit enough. Okay, one more time. Press the button. Nothing is happening. This is no good. Press the button. Nothing is happening. Is it because of this rubber band over here? Okay, let's see again. Let's try again. And press the button. Oh, you gotta aim! That's insane. Rotate your viewer in order to navigate back. Okay. Get new apps. Oh, this is like I aim here. Good. Tutorial. Press the button to select next. Nice. Uh-oh. I guess that was the tutorial. And we have tutorial, Earth, tour guide, exhibit, my videos, photosphere, and Arctic journey. Make sure you come back for more VR videos. Enter VR together with me. This is Mihnea. Subscribe, like, comment in the comment section below. Have you tried Google Cardboard? If yes, let us know. How was your first experience? Until next time, Mihnea. Salut!